The step of an oil change. Put the car on the car lift. Unscrew the protective cap on the engine with a socket wrench. To put the drain pan under the engine. Unscrew the oil drain plug with a socket wrench. To let all the oil flow out into the drain pan. Right change the oil drain plug. Right change the protective cap. To get the car lift down, open the hood. Unscrew the oil filter. Change the oil filter. Unscrew the plug of the oil filler hole. Put the funnel on the filler hole to refill the with oil. Make the level with the oil dipstick. Rim up the engine. Check the oil level. Fill the user handbook. Finish.